What's good with y'all niggas? We back with another video, last video for the day. Hopefully you'll get all 15 videos today. You know what I'm saying? Maybe some today, some tomorrow, I'm not sure. But like, yeah, today we're 48 laws of power analysis, law number 35. Let's get straight into it. And it talks about master the act of timing. Timing is everything. With chicks, with life in general, also like with chicks, you know what I'm saying? With chicks, you can't just the first meet, you just come in and say, "Hey, I'm trying to clip the cheeks." Nah, no, you don't do that. You know what I'm saying? You gotta move a little bit more indirect, and then oppose if the chick she's butt naked in front of you, you don't just say, "Hey, what's up?" You know, so I'm just trying to chill. No, you know what I'm saying? You don't do that. So let's get straight into it. You gotta learn the three types of time: long time, short time, forced time. No wait, long time, long time, forced time, end time. So what's long time? Long time is its definition, time that's long. So we talking about years here, you know what I'm saying? Years, like a years, you know what I'm saying? Like where, like let's plan, what you plan for like for years in advance, which must be treated with like gentle patience and all that. When you find waiting for your opportunity to strike. You know what I'm saying? Like that's why we like people that are the greats. You know what I'm saying? They train, they train, they train, they train. You know what I'm saying? Waiting for the time, waiting for that moment to come, which is what the long time, right? And then your forced time. Forced time is when it's the offensive. It's your offensive where you strike to upset the time of your opponents. You know what I'm saying? Think of it like a duel, a sword fighting. Your long time is you planning watching your opponents, you know what I'm saying, your opponents fights, see what he does, you know what I'm saying. And then your first time is when you actually now start fighting, you take the first swing, and that's forced time, right? And then end time is what when you've planned it, you feel confident, and now it's time to execute with force and all this. That's your end time. So they were like, let's go back to the duel. Long, like in order for it to be long and fast. Alright, so let's do it. So long time, you analyzing the games, you know what I'm saying? You analyze the games, you know what I'm saying? Plan the shit, you know, for your next battle with them. You plan it. And then your end time is like, okay, now you've planned it, you've made sure it's everything's on point, time to execute, you know. And then the fourth time is when you now take the first swing, you now take him off the game, you know what I'm saying? You try to win the game now for real. Yeah, like that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? Like that's really it. Like really, that's like really it. Like right now. So like you know what I'm saying? Like that's really it for the video. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe, and yeah, holla back at your boy. Let's finish this fucking series. You know what I'm saying? Straight.